It is time now, a little bit early, for your morning RBI. Maybe the most random but interesting thing you're going to hear all day, and it follows nicely, I guess, on that Rivian story. You'll find out why in a minute. And today, let's talk about how it is that time of year again, the holidays, the beginning of what I call panic shopping season. But that is not all. It is also the time of year when indexes add new stocks and drop others. And this can often move stocks in either direction. If you're added to an index, stock may go up. If you drop, stock may go down. So if you are going to go shopping for stocks, here are 6 you may want to look to possibly put under your tree, and 7 you may want to add to the coal pile, because the Nasdaq is making some big changes to its massive Nasdaq 100 index. They are adding 6 names and they are dropping 7. These changes go into effect ahead of the market open next Monday, the 19th. All right, let's go. And let's start with those being tossed from the index out of the Nasdaq 100. They are VeriSign, chipmaker Skyworks Solutions, Splunk, getting splunked, Baidu, Match Group, which is down 66% this year, and DocuSign, which is also down 66% this year. And the last stock is NetEase, kind of a couple of previous lockdown favorites in there, along with some other stocks, certainly on the COVID train as well, and some really tough performers getting kicked out of the index. Nasdaq just saying basically, get out of there. All right, so now let's go to the 6 stocks, he said, that are being added to the index. All right, here we go. I'm going to read them for you. And that is Global Foundries, GFS, Warner Brothers Discovery, that, of course, the parent company of CNN, CoStar Group, electric truck maker, Rivian. See what we did there? See how it flows? And that's interesting because the last part of these 2 additions to the Nasdaq 100 are kind of the anti-electric truck play. The Nasdaq also adding 2 oil and gas names to the index, Baker Hughes and Diamondback Energy. Yes, ticker symbol FANG, the original FANG. They're both oil and gas stocks. And ask yourself, when is the last time you saw an oil and gas stock added to any major index? I mean, I can't think of it in years. They normally get tossed. And right now, there are no oil or gas stocks in the tech-heavy Nasdaq 100, save for a couple of utility names. But maybe their big returns this year and a little bit of renewed investor interest is making them more attractive. Again, oil and gas stocks in an index known for technology. Now that, I think, is random but interesting, and also some stocks certainly to keep an eye on.